Hello and welcome guys. Welcome to Forex Gold. So this is my new channel. Okay, so in this channel I'll be uploading videos on Forex market. I'll be doing live trading and also I'll be sharing my strategies with you guys. Okay guys, so this is my first video guys. Please, I hope you like it and it will motivate me. Okay guys, so let's not waste any time. So let's begin with the video. So the broker will be using is Exness. You must have heard about Exness. Okay, so let's start with the company's introduction. So the Exness Group, the company's name is Exness Group. The Exness Group was founded in 2008, and by December 2020 their clients volume reached 673 billion, and currently they have over 145,000 active traders. So that's pretty interesting, and this is the best opportunity we can grab. And currently this is the only one broker which provides wide range of financial instruments, okay, with the lowest swap, including currency pairs like USD, Euro USD, metals, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies also you can trade, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything you can trade over here, and also energies, indices and stocks. Okay guys, so the company is really good, so you can just have a look. They have an excellent customer support. They provide in 15 languages, okay, including 24 into 7 support in English. Okay guys, so this is the company's introduction. So just you have to join. I've given the link in the description. What are the further benefits, I'll explain you further. Okay, you just need to click link in the description and you'll be redirected to this page. Just sign up, just click on sign up and create an account for you. Just select your country, your email address and choose a password and just continue. Then afterwards you can just log in. You can just download the APK file from Play Store or iOS. Okay, you can just download and you can just get your profile verified. Okay, you just need one document, Aadhaar card or PAN card. You just get verified within 2 minutes. It's instant. Okay guys, then afterwards you will be redirected to a page like this. So here you can see this is my standard account. I'll show you my real account. So once you click here, you see there is real and demo. There are two accounts. Okay, so I've already created a Forex Gold account, so click on that. So you see there is 9.27 USD in my account, so we are going to trade with this money. So this is this video is for the people who have low capital. Okay, so how to generate with low capital, so how you can turn $10 to $1,000, $100, $500. So you can continue this with me. Okay guys, so here you can see the trade. As I said, there are majors, metals, cryptos, energy, stocks, indices. As you can see, all cryptos available over here. Also they provide stock, so Apple and all you can also trade over here. So there are many things. So once you go to market section, so also they provide some trending stocks over here, stocks or cryptos, anything which is trending, and they provide also signals. Okay guys, so you can just have a update of this. You can just have update of the chart, and also you don't need to go anywhere. They provide all events over here. Okay guys, once you click on see all, so you can see all economic calendar events are here, so you don't need to go anywhere. Also news is quick and very fast, it's very reliable. Okay guys, so this is the best app and I'll be trading with this money. Okay guys, so how to create account, just click here, and just if you want to try on a demo account, you can try on demo account. For real account, just deposit $10 with me guys. Okay, I'll be providing free of cost calls for you which are 90% accurate, and I'll be also doing live trading for you guys. Okay guys, so that I can show you how to grow this account. So click on plus icon, so you can see here, just click on real account. Okay guys, just click on real account and you need to choose MT4, as we'll be trading on MT4. We don't need MT5. Okay, just click on MT4 and this is standard. just click on standard account. So you can see minimum deposit is $10 guys. Okay, so other brokers they provide like $25 minimum deposit, so this is just $10. As you can see, I have $10 in my account. Okay guys, so this is, and maximum leverage, you can see you can get unlimited leverage, and the spread is really amazing guys. Okay, so this is done. Just click on standard. So leverage, you, those who are trading with me with low capital, they can choose 1:800. Okay guys, 1:800. And rest, those who have like capital more than $50, they can choose 1:600, 1:400. Okay, it depends on you. There's no like you can create many accounts, don't worry. So you don't need to rely on one account, you can create multiple accounts. So just give your name and your account will be created. For example, I'll just give it a name. Okay, so continue. So here you have to set your password and you will get your trading account number. Okay, so just copy the number and log into your MT4 account. Okay guys, so this is how you can create your account. Just deposit $10 and just join my Telegram channel. Okay guys, I'll be giving you short calls over there. Okay guys, and also let me show you the different options they provide. Okay, as you can see here, the different options they are providing. And also one thing you need to remember guys, the deposit, the deposit, like you are doing deposit from Skill. Okay, so you have to withdraw your money from Skill wallet itself. If you're depositing your money from bank transfer, then you have to do bank transfer. Okay, everywhere $10 is available. Okay guys, so I have done offline bank transfer, and also I withdraw money from offline bank transfer. Okay guys, so this is the best option for India. So you can use offline bank transfer, which is very reliable. Okay guys, so this is the best option. So I'll be continuing this so here you can see also they have referral program. Okay guys, so you can also, I want you guys to refer. Okay, I don't want you guys to stop like only trading. You guys have to refer and grow your income. Okay guys, so you just do your verification and you just be ready with $10. Okay guys, I'll be continuing from tomorrow. I'll be sharing my strategies which are very simple, how to trade on news and all. And this is just 13 people have joined with me. So from 2-3 in 2-3 days we'll be doing live tradings. Okay guys, so make sure you join fast, don't be late. Just I'll be starting trading within 2 days. Okay guys, so this is it guys, I hope you like it. Please, this is my first video, please show some love. Please like the video. So from tomorrow I'll be sharing my secret strategies with you guys. Okay guys, so lots of love guys. Take care, peace out.